viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at how to make a crop elastic top. That is to say, the upper and lower part will be having an elastic. In doing that, we'll be using our exact bodies because this is a very free top. So I'll be dividing all my measurement by 2 instead of 4 because of the nature of the style. Okay, and I won't be needing my shoulder measurement. I'll just be using only for my bust measurement. So firstly, we'll take our top length. Since this is going to have an elastic at both the upper and lower parts, I won't be using the exact crop length I want, which is 18. The elastic will help me push it to that length. So I'll be working with 25 inches for the length, 25 inches. I'll just mark that out. Okay. After doing that, I will divide my bust measurement by 2. My bust measurement is 34 inches. Divide by 2, give me 17 inches. So I'll be working with 17 inches. So that 17 inches, I'll take 17 inches down to the waistline. This is a very simple top. This 24 inches I marked is including the seam allowance. That seam allowance I'm using to fold the upper and lower parts. So I'm using 17 inches. Okay. So by the time you fold it in by 1 inch at the upper part and 1 inch by the lower part, and the elastic grab it up together, you have a perfect crop top. Okay, instead of cutting the 17 inches, I'll add 2 inches extra. This is just for seam allowance. This doesn't have an exact measurement, but I would advise to just divide your upper bodies by 2 instead of 4. The wider it is, the fuller it will become. Okay. Okay, so this is what I'm having. I want it to be very full at the bodies. So by the time I fold it inward like this, okay, I'll be cutting the back part as well now. So just fold and cut this same thing. There won't be any difference between the back and the front. Okay, this is my front and this is my back. I'm having 2 of this now. Okay, for my sleeve now, I'll just bring the rest of my fabric and I'll fold into 4. Just fold into 4. What I'm having here is 20 inches and I'll be using all of it. So I'll just open up this side. So instead of using my for the cap area now, my cap my actual cap length is 3 inches. So instead of the 3 inches, since we are still adding an elastic band, I'll times it by 2. So I'll be using 6 inches for this. Since we are using an elastic band, now I'll still come down by same 6 inches. And I'll connect. Okay, this is because I'm cutting like this because I want the crop top to be very big. You don't want yours to be this big. You can just divide your bust measurement by 4 and add 5 inches extra to it. Okay, just divide your bust measurement by 4 and add 5 to 4 inches extra. But if you want yours to be very big and because you can do it like this. So I'll just cut this out. Okay, this is my hand now. So I'll be folding here up upper side downward by 1 inch. That was why I use 6 inches because it's plenty. So just fold it down by 1 inch. My armhole measurement is 15 inches. Okay, I'm having enough. So I'll just fold it down by 1 inch and put my elastic band. Then I'll be having I'll fold the lower part as well by 1 inch and also attach an elastic band to it. So I'll just go and fold it now and show you guys what I'll do next. Okay, I'll fold the upper part and the lower part. You can see. And I also folded the lower part. So I'll be sewing from -4 inches because that's where I want my crop top to, my off shoulder top to start from, to get my armhole measurement, which is 15 inches, 7.5. I won't be using that exactly 7.5, I'll be using 9 inches because I want that side to be free as well. So I place my tape -4 inches to get 9 inches. So from there, I'm also using ½ inch straight down. I'll repeat same process on the other side. Then I'll be attaching this elastic band to my top. So I'll insert my elastic now. I've sewn the top. See? So I'll just insert the elastic on the waistline and also on the chest line of my top sleeve, and I'm shaping it using ½ inch. So I also attach the elastic on the upper part. This is my sleeve opening. So I'll measure what I have for my sleeve opening here. So I'm having 6 inches. So I'll just come to my top and I'll mark 6 inches. Just mark 6 inches straight downward. There is no need to cut any to shape the hand, just straight like this. I didn't cut anything else, it's just straight. So I'll just fix the hand. This is a very fast stop. Right side facing each other. I'll fix my hand using ½ inch. Just fix the hand. I will sew from one end to this point like so, then to the other point. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Ensure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be showing you guys the finishing part of the video now. Bye.